Hey, it's Adam Sewell, MD. In this video, I want to give you the simple, practical things you can start doing right now without medication, without procedures, without anything fancy to help slow down your biological aging. These are the fundamentals that make every advanced therapy work better. Let's begin with sleep because sleep is the foundation of repair. When you sleep deeply, your brain clears metabolic waste, your hormones reset, your tissues rebuild, and your immune system calibrates. When you don't sleep, everything else breaks down. If you want one of the most effective anti-aging treatments on Earth, it is consistent, high-quality sleep. A good starting point is a routine. Go to bed at roughly the same time every night, dim the lights an hour beforehand, and avoid bright screens right before bed. Keep your bedroom cool, quiet, and dark. Around 65 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal for most people. If you fix nothing else, fix sleep. It will change your life. Now let's talk about nutrition. Forget extreme diets, forget fads. Longevity nutrition comes from 3 principles. 1. Avoid constant sugar spikes. 2. Eat enough protein to maintain muscle. 3. Emphasize foods that lower inflammation instead of raising it. That means eating balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, colorful vegetables, and smart carbohydrates. It means reducing liquid sugar, processed snacks, and ultra-processed foods that drive inflammation. It does not mean starving yourself or going on crash diets. Those age you faster. The next pillar is movement. Your VO2 max is one of the strongest predictors of how long you will live and how well you will live. You do not need to be a marathon runner. A simple combination of brisk walking, resistance training for your muscles, and occasional higher effort bursts is enough to dramatically improve longevity. Think of muscle as your anti-aging currency. It supports metabolism, balance, mobility, and injury prevention. The more muscle you have within reason, the better you age. Next, stress. Chronic stress accelerates aging by raising cortisol, increasing inflammation, disrupting sleep, and impairing healing. I'm not going to tell you to meditate on a mountaintop, but I will encourage you to build small, regular habits that bring your stress down. Deep breathing for 60 seconds, a short walk outside, slowing down your exhale, turning off notifications, or creating boundaries around work. These tiny breaks have huge biological impact. Finally, sunlight. Sun exposure in smart amounts helps set your circadian rhythm, boosts mood, and supports vitamin D, but too much sun or repeated burns cause skin aging and increase cancer risk. My rule is simple: sunlight early in the day is healthy. Burns or not, protect yourself from midday burns, but do not avoid sunlight altogether. Use it wisely. If you put all of this together, sleep, smart nutrition, movement, stress regulation, and sunlight, you create a biological environment where therapies like hormone optimization, senolytics, rapamycin, and regenerative procedures can work far better. Longevity is not just what happens in the clinic, it is what you do every day when nobody's watching. And the truth is, the basics move the needle more than people realize. In the next video, I'll show you how face aging actually happens, why many creams and devices don't fix the real problem, and how regenerative treatments can help your skin behave younger from the inside out.